My phone is low bat, so I don't have the flash. This is like a white vintage belt buckle. You just need to be wipe a little. It's a belt buckle. I just put the thing for now. But I'm gonna keep this because it's so cute. It's like it's a real seashell thing. Mm, it's like a starfish. Sorry, but guys, there's no light. I need to get my battery. My jackery. I just put in here. I just hang it so that it's easier to hold. It's nice for the key and stuff.